So this week I answered or did my questions on what is the role of school in society. And the first question that I asked was, how does school implement principles of knowledge, understanding, and intelligence? After discussing with my partners and kind of thinking about it myself, there are a few things that I came up with. And the first is the lessons that they teach. Obviously, that gives knowledge to kids. And then tests, those test the understanding, obviously, if they've gotten it. And then hands-on activities, that also helps the knowledge, and homework also with the understanding. What I saw, though, was a real lack in the intelligence department. It's where it motivates children to actually want to go out and learn more. One of my partners this week, though, had mentioned that the motto of Harvard was truth, and so that to truly be able to have knowledge, understanding, and intelligence for schools, for these children, is that they need to search for truth, which is not something that we always see in public schools today. So my second question was, do standardized tests help prepare students for real life? And one person posted on the real-time board for mine said, quoted, "Teachers teach, learners learn, and standardized tests monitor that." So from that, that's really what they do. They just monitor to see if basically the teachers are doing their job. So it doesn't really help prepare students for real life. I'm actually doing a paper on it right now about how standardized testing doesn't really help children at all, and how it actually hurts. It stifles creativity. It stifles creativity not only for the children, but for the teachers, that they're not able to teach to their fullest. They're not motivated to teach better because they just have to teach to the test. So that's not going to help kids at all, no matter what the age, because they're not able to learn real things. There was a class in my high school it was a math class that you could use for one of your actual credits, taking like pre-cal, that actually helped you learn math to apply to life. Those are the classes that we need. Those are the classes that are going to help people prepare and know what they want to do with their lives. And my last question is, does the current education system motivate children to go out and seek more knowledge on their own? And in my opinion, and the opinions of my partners, it's a no. Like I said, they are just currently teaching to the test, and that's really not their fault. But that's what superintendents and school districts are wanting to see, and so the teachers are limited. And kids aren't interested by things that are just on the test. And I know, at least for me, when I was in school, I would learn one thing, I'd go in, I take the test, and then out the other ear. And it wouldn't really matter that much to me. I really enjoyed my questions this week. It helped me kind of reevaluate what I want to do as a teacher, one, and two, how I want my kids to learn. So I'm really excited to one day be able to apply this. So